Now come to question number 8. In this question, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So at first, write the numbers which are beside the commas on the left hand part. Okay, so write down in this way 36 plus 20, both the square roots are separate. Okay, write down 36, root 36, and then write plus, and again start a root and then write 25. Now we know that the square root of 36, this is 6, and the square root of 25, that is 5. Okay, so write in this way and you will get 11. Okay, so after getting this, now find root 49 plus root 9, and then you will get 7. The square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 9 is 3. So you will get 10. Now on the next number, root 25 and root 100, from the root of 25 you will get 5, and from the root of 100 you will get 10. So 5 plus 10 you will get 15. Now the next, that is root 4 plus root 16. The root of 4 you will get 2, and root of 16, that is 4. So you will get 6. Now after getting the sums, we can see one is 6, another is 15, another is 10, another is 11. So which one is the least? 11, 10, 15 or 6? We know that 6 is the smallest. So write down 6, then write down less than. Then we see the numbers 10, 11 and 15. So write down 10 here. Then again write down less than symbol, and then we can see both the numbers are 11 and 15. So 11 and 15 write down in this place. 11 and then 15. So this is not your answer, because these numbers we are getting which are after calculating we are getting. So we have to arrange the numbers in the question format. So the 6, we have got this 6 from this root 4 plus root 16. So write root 4 plus root 16 instead of this 6, and then write down less than symbol. Instead of this 10, write down the next number, that is root 49 plus root 9. Root 49 plus root 9. Then again, instead of this 11, write down the first, that is root 36 plus root 25. Root 36 plus root 25. I am writing in this position because the position is very small. And then write down less than, and the last number, that is root 25 plus root 100, that is remaining here. So write down within bracket root 25 plus root 100. So we are giving this symbol less than because we are arranging in ascending order. So this is your answer. So write down this answer in the same line. Try to write in the same line. So in this way you have to arrange in ascending order. And if the question is find the smallest number, then you will write this one, root 4 plus root 16. If the question is find the greatest number, then write down root 25 plus root 100. In this way you have to do question number 8. Okay. So on the next class we will continue from 18.3. Some questions are left there. So we will complete that chapter on the next class, and with that we will start chapter 22. That is a chapter related to geometry. So sit on the class time with your geometry box and sit with 2 pencil. One must be the small size and one you can take of any size. Okay.